Y'all, I don't know if I'm tripping, but I found this new compartment in this area, and look, I think I might be the first one to ever discover this part in the area. Cause look, you come down here, I'll show you how to get to this area in a bit. Let me just show y'all. Okay, so look, gonna come up here, gonna walk over like this, swing. Okay, right here, my head right here. Look at this. 3 hands, but especially look over here. We got 3 hands. Look. So I'm thinking that we got legs. That is weird because I've never seen anything in this game have legs. So let me know what y'all think about this in the comments, because I do not know what this is. Oh wait, one more thing. Look, I need to get. Look, so you come up through this pipe. Look, you got this whole thing compartments. And then, boom, you're out. So I'm thinking we can use the special fishing rod in this area and see if we can catch some fish. So, look, here's how you're gonna want to do it. Let me just do something real quick. So we're gonna become small. Okay. So we're gonna do it like this. Become small. Just become even smaller. I'm gonna have to please. Oh my god. But no, we're gonna need to do this. Then let me just grab this real quick. Okay, so now go. We just don't grab that, grab this. Then we grab this. Let me see if we still. Alright, so we're gonna go over here. Alright, so once we're over here, the fishing net, you're gonna come over here. Oh shoot! No, sorry, this is taking a while. But you're gonna come for this in here. Then come over here. There's this rock over here. So then, too small. Now, the weirdest part is, let me just go fast. This is taking a while. Okay, good. This is a lot faster. Alright, so here we are. So, I'm gonna try something. The fish here, like how we fish. So I special rod just in case. See if we fish. Just come up here real quick. Just come up here. Point. Alright, so I think this is gonna be a short video, but hopefully we catch something cool. Just wait. Oh, I actually managed to get some. Oh, what the heck? We got a crappie. It's small. What the? What the hell happened to it? I'm not the only one that just saw that, right, y'all? Okay, so I won't let you guys are crappy. That's one thing I know. That's weird. What the? Wait, what? Hold on, that hurts already. Nah, there's water right there. This is weird. I just figured out this place. I just figured out about this place today by myself. Because I was like peeking through here to see where the fish go. And then, because I was getting fish, I was fish farming. Wait, let me just head down here. Nah. I mean, I'm dipping, bro. This is low-key a weird place. Especially because bones. Full-on skelly bones. But yeah, that's how you get into that area. Alright. That's the only thing I wanted to show today. Yeah. Mickey Crunch is more than likely not out.